Welcome to WordWork, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some commonly used words. You will see that learning to read and write is easy if you follow these steps. Look at the shape of each word. Listen how to say each word. Learn how to spell each word. Let's get started. Table, table. North, north. Slowly, slowly. Money, money. Map, map. To learn the sounds of the letters in the alphabet, click the link in the description for my alphabet videos. Now let's use each word in a sentence. The food is on the table. The food is on the table. They are setting the table. They are setting the table. We live north of the city. We live north of the city. Cold winds are coming from the north. Cold winds are coming from the north. She speaks slowly and clearly. She speaks slowly and clearly. She always drives slowly. She always drives slowly. They spend a lot of money for rent. They spend a lot of money for rent. She got some money from the bank. She got some money from the bank. They have a map of the city. They have a map of the city. They are reading the map. They are reading the map. Now let's review. Table. The food is on the table. They are setting the table. North. We live north of the city. Cold winds are coming from the north. Slowly. She speaks slowly and clearly. She always drives slowly. Money. They spend a lot of money for rent. She got some money from the bank. Map. They have a map of the city. They are reading the map. Remember, practice makes perfect. So use these words to make your own sentences. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.